Alright, in this video I'll be creating some sort of block like this. Okay, what's the main advantage of this sort of block is if I try to move this, I think first point to second point, I don't need to trim any place. Okay, so let's try to do it. First I like to have the figure be the wall, and be the frame, the door jamb. As you can say that the door jamb shall be 5 by 5 in size, and the panel itself will be maybe 90 centimeter, and also the thickness shall be 2.5. So first let's get into Autocad and draw that stuff right here. Using rectangle, I'll be drawing up the frame of the door, so that shall be 5 by 5 rectangle. I'll pick up the first point dimension, and that can be like 5 and 5. Okay, the door jamb is okay for now. I'd like to copy this using the first point. The distance shall be 95, so as to make the external dimension from point 1 to point B, that shall be 100. Okay, then I'd like to fix up the door panel here using first point rectangle, first point and second point. The thickness shall be 2.5, and I like to rotate this asset, first point and second point here. Then we like to have the door swing. This shall be start and center. Then I like to pick up the end point here. So kind of a door is ready, and let's convert this right into a block. Door new. Okay, pick up the base point. I'll be somewhere on top of it. I'll be opening this asset in the block editor. Alright, the door is ready. Now we will be hiding the wall beneath the door by using a wipeout. So using a rectangle, I'll be creating some masking region beneath the door, so it can be like 105, maybe 100.5, so maybe 0.25 to both sides and offset, and 20.5. okay. Alright, I would like to fix a point here. Maybe from this point I'll go down right into maybe 0.25. okay, then selecting both asset and moving this using the grip. Alright, rather than placing right into here, I'll use the same option from this point to maybe 0.25. okay, so this might look something like this. Okay, hold on. You know, if you try to insert or if you try to place this block right into here, maybe I like to have a wall here. Okay, then offset shall be 20. This one is door new. I'll be placing the door right in here. Okay, you can turn off p-type, or you can delete the point. Turn off p-type, get into null. Move using the first point, and I can have the second point here. Okay, then you turn off wipeout frame. Oh shit, I didn't convert it, forgot to convert that. I said right into. Okay, afterwards I'll be converting this rectangle right into a wipeout. Get into wipeout, and I'll be using polyline. I raised the polyline. Yeah, I'll be picking up yes, and we lost some of the properties right here, and we lost the door jamb. So picking up door jamb, and I'll right click and bring this asset right into the front of the wipeout. And also we lost some line here, so I'll be reconstructing this line right in AutoCAD. Alright, close the block editor, and I can see that the door is perfect, but there's some problems here. You can see that there is no closing line right here. You can see that the wall is open. So when you block editor, I'll be constructing that line. So in order to construct that line, what we can have is first you have to understand that the base point is right here, and that the wipeout frame is somewhere nearby. If you like to turn up wipeout, you can get into wipeout frame and turn it right into 1. Okay, this one is 0.25, then it can be maybe 0.27. From 0.27 it goes down right into 20. Okay, then I'll be mirroring this line right away using the center. Okay, I don't want to see this line anymore. I just based on some trial experiments, I can wipe out frame, whip pole, turn off. Oh, I don't care. If you try to move this,